Hello guys, this is the Garage Store Guy 10 here, and I have not made a Garage Store video in so long. The reason why, because I was having some family issues. But anyways, I'm back once again. So for today's video, what I have here is a Chamberlain LiftMaster Professional 1/3 horsepower garage door opener. Now this is at my grandparents' vacation house that they rented. And basically, it does have the Genie radio control right here. And basically, this is what the wall button looks like. I know this comes like a LiftMaster 1 button, doorbell button remote. But before I run this up for you guys, I will show you the 971 LM in my grandparents' car. It is right here. So I'll be using this to, oh, never mind. But I'll be using the remote as opening and closing the garage door from the outside view. So, I'm going to be running this. So, here we go. Pretty noisy for LiftMaster screwdriver. Alright, so I don't know what type of garage door this is, but I believe this is a CHI door, but I don't know. But let me run this down. I know the garage door is very squeaky, but yep, this is very squeaky, these garage doors right here. So basically, let me run this up again so I can do the outside view. Let me go get the remote outside of my grandparents' car. And I would say that this remote is probably from 2000 or 2001. Let me see. Yep, 2001. So basically, we'll go ahead and close it. Run this back up. Pretty quiet for a LiftMaster. Alright, let me put the remote back in the car just to show you. Whoops. Let me put the camera down just for a second. There we go. Run this down. And also, my grandparents' friends have 2 Genie Pro 88 screwdrivers, so I'll be making a video of that, maybe on Sunday or maybe on tomorrow, but I don't know. But anyways, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like and subscribe and turn on post notifications, and I will see you in the next video.